In the Northeast, where mission-critical facilities can't afford even a moment of downtime, there's one name that stands above the rest: Weld Power Generator. We are the trusted partner for emergency power solutions, ensuring that life-saving operations, vital industries, and communities keep running, no matter what. Family-owned and operated since 1951, originally named Welders Supply of Worcester, we've grown and evolved over the decades. From welding supplies to becoming the Northeast's leading generator service provider, our story is one of adaptation, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence. We can handle every aspect of your generator needs. Our reputation is built on trust. Our customers know they can rely on Weld Power for unmatched service and support. Our customers span a wide range of industries, including healthcare, property management, biopharmaceuticals, education, manufacturing, municipal services, data centers, and more. They trust us because we deliver more than service. We deliver peace of mind. No matter the make or model of your generator, transfer switch, or fire pump, Weld Power has you covered. Our technicians are trained and authorized to service all manufacturers. From top-tier industry leaders to niche manufacturers, we bring the same level of expertise to every service call. With Weld Power, you can trust that your equipment is in the best hands. Unlike many equipment manufacturers that mainly focus on new equipment sales, we focus on offering premium service and quality repairs. We take a proactive approach to minimize downtime and maximize performance. Our goal is to keep your equipment running and reliable for years to come. At Weld Power, we understand that every customer is unique. That's why we offer solutions that fit your specific requirements, budget, and timeline. Many of our customers report saving 20 to 25% compared to manufacturer service contracts and repair quotes. At the heart of Weld Power's success is a team of dedicated experts who bring unmatched skill and commitment to every job. Our team of EGS-certified and factory-trained technicians are the most experienced in the region. Day or night, our team is ready to respond 24/7 to any emergency, delivering the expertise and equipment needed to keep your operations running seamlessly. Whether it's routine maintenance, repairs, rentals, or comprehensive generator management, our team delivers unmatched expertise and service. Another key to our many years of success is that we believe in the power of prevention. Our comprehensive preventative maintenance services ensure your equipment remains reliable and efficient. From regular inspections to advanced diagnostics and fluid analysis, Weld Power Generator is the partner you can count on to keep your operations running smoothly. With over 70 years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we're here to power your success. We're not just about keeping up, we're about staying ahead. That's why we invest in the latest technology and provide ongoing training to ensure we're always at the forefront of generator service. When disaster strikes, Weld Power is ready. With the largest fleet of rental generators in the Northeast, ranging from 20 kilowatts to 2,000 kilowatts, and a full array of rental transfer switches, we're equipped to respond rapidly to any emergency. Ready to experience the Weld Power difference? Visit weldpower.com or contact us today. Let's power the future together.